What's up, guys? I'm at Detailers Products today in Chamblee, Georgia, and they are getting Blue Jeep paint corrected and looking beautiful. We're gonna have it out at the Appalachia High School car show this weekend. Can't wait for you guys to see it.
You want to see wet lines when you're putting this stuff on, and that means you can visually see, like,
I have to do it one time and something happened with the dog. Like, that's it. Good word, yo.
All right, special thanks to Detailers Products. Look how clean this thing is. All right, so they use that Shine Supply soap, washed her all up. They did their tire shine. They use clutch on the wheels. They use classy chassis on the frame. They use burnout polish on this bad boy and then put a CCI ceramic coat on it. It looks awesome. Special thanks to Justin Bonnet and his team at Detailers Products. You guys check them out. And you can use code Bubba at detailersproducts.com to get 10% off your order. Thank you. And eat your prunes. We'll be seeing you.